Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. We're also going to talk about Ethereum, and basically we're going to recap what we talked about, previously before all of this good stuff, right? So before we get started, make sure to hit the likes. Make sure to join my public Telegram group. Link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium, make sure to send me a message and I'm gonna give you all the information you need basically to join Send Premium trading. All right, so before we talk about Ethereum and all of that good stuff, let's start off with BTC, right? And what I'm expecting from BTC. As we said it previously, we said after the big dump, we clearly said we expecting a sideways correction from BTC. So it wasn't a good time to basically be trading BTC heavily unless you basically want to trade support and resistance. So I said it, and I was like, we either gonna get a triangular formation, right, from BTC, or we're gonna get a flat correction. What's the difference between a flat and a triangle? A flat correction, it is basically double top, double bottom, and a triangular formation going to be a double bottom, triple bottom, right, and a double top, stuff like that, right? So that's what we're getting right now. We almost got a triple top, but we're looking for a triple bottom right there to create the triangular formation from BTC, right, like that. Right, that's what we're expecting from BTC right now. So we just about this area, so which is like sometimes you can get a wick to the upside. It is okay, it's not a big deal. So but that's where we at. So now we're looking for a possible rejection and a possible retest just about like mid 14k to low 15k area. So we talk about all of these all of this good stuff, and then it is playing out perfectly as expected, right? So now, but our MACD could give us a better indication, right? So if we use our MACD properly, we could expect like a MACD fake out to the downside, right? A MACD fake out to the downside could confirm our bearish, selling pressure to the downside for BTC to retest basically mid 14k to low 15k area in a probable reversal after that. But as of now, if bears can come up with a better selling pressure, a higher volume, we could expect a reversal down. So 8-hour selling pressure is not a lot right now. You can see price is going up, volume is going up. The only way we're gonna get a heavy selling pressure is like if the sell volume is basically a big one right there. So we gotta reverse the trend with a big selling volume. Remember that. So the selling pressure could be big, right? It could be big because price is going up and volume is going up. So that's kind of bullish. From like 15k to 16k was a very, very bullish strong uptrend. So in order to get rejected, it has to be a bigger volume, not a small volume. If like we receive small volume and price is decreasing, that's even going to be very, very bullish. Okay, it could basically not even retest 14k to a 15k area. It might just dip down in this range of mid 15 and then it's going to reverse. So let's keep that in mind. We're expecting a reversal down here to low 15 to mid 14. However, it has to be a big sell volume, not a low sell volume. So just to keep that in mind, right? I just needed to repeat it for you guys to basically keep that in mind, right? So now pay attention to your MACD. Once again, if you're a bull, you could get a better confirmation, right? Once the MACD dip down here, turn negative, right, and then basically give us a bullish reversal, and we could be looking for a very, very strong move after that from BTC. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. We got similar structure back in May and June. Let me just show you, right? Back in May and June, you can see like we got similar structure, but we seen it on the 2-day basis, but it is the same. That's why I keep saying time frame doesn't matter. Sometimes you can see the same structure in different time frame, right? So the structure you see, for instance, on the 8-hour right now, that's the structure we received back in May and June on the 2-day basis. Same thing. Okay, same thing. You dip down here. Let me just remove this nonsense, right? We dip down here, right, and we pull back in a 3-way move, right, and then got rejected. So if you take a look at it, really, we dip down here, right, we got a three-way move, right? What are we expecting? We're expecting this move. It could be very slow, boring, choppy, could last forever, right? As you can see, like the move started like June 1st, all the way up to basically like right there was June 1st, right? And you can see like we started the bullish uptrend, right? Late July. So that's like almost over a month, guys. So that's like almost 2 months, guys. We basically been moving sideways for this triangular formation, bearish reversal pattern, right? Not bearish, but you know what I mean. Excuse me, guys. So you can see like we got this basically sideways correction. We could expecting something similar to it, where price gonna dip slowly down, right? Most people are gonna be calling 15k, 20k, or 14k, 100k, and BTC just going to be correcting. It is going to be correcting, find support, and then basically pump to the upside after that, right? But the overall structure is like market is bearish, okay? So market is bullish, okay? So short term could turn bearish, right? But as long as we basically moving above the 2-day 21 EMA, you gotta stay bullish on BTC. You gotta stay on bullish on BTC. I said it when BTC was at 11k, right? If we pump above the 21 EMA, same structure I'm just showing you, right? So pump above the 21 EMA, MACD crosses bullish on a 2-day basis. It is going to be a very, very strong bullish uptrend, okay? Same thing on the 8-hour basis, all right? Same exact setup on the 8-hour basis. MACD could dip down, right? And then we're gonna basically move sideways, flip bullish again above the 21 EMA right there. MACD crosses bullish, we basically take it to the upside, right? Don't know how high we're gonna go after that. We're gonna take a look at it depending how market structure gonna look like by then, right? But we're just gonna pay attention to basically the sideways correction, right? So now let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, if you guys pay attention to our Ethereum analysis, we did say Ethereum, I'm looking for just about like a 460 to 480. It could probably try to pump to like a 490 and so on, right? But that's a bearish level I was looking for, and we basically hit our upside target on the dot, okay? Entry was after we pumped to like a 410, 413. We basically took it to the upside. Even when we dipped down here, I was like, guys, don't be too bearish, okay? Just wait. Okay, take 40 to 50% of your profits right there and just wait. Don't try to play the choppy noise. If you want to play choppiness, short alt and all of that good stuff, right? But as of now, just stay with Ethereum. Don't do anything and wait for price action to give you a better trend. So now we got a slight rejection, still looking okay. It could follow BTC and retrace down to the low 400 to basically mid 400 range, right? But it is still going to be bullish as long as we basically staying above this trend line. You got to be cautious with Ethereum bulls, all right? They're looking very confident. They're looking for 10k and all of that good stuff. So if you're a bear, just be patient, right? Just be patient, and your time gonna come and you're gonna basically take care of business. But if you try to rush it, right, and try to short the top and all of that good stuff, you might be in trouble, okay? You might be in trouble. Wait for confirmation. Save your Ethereums, no need to be in rush, and you're always gonna find an entry. Market always give you an unlimited entry, because the only thing market is here for is to take our money, right? So market is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So just calm down, right? If you're a bear, enjoy the ride, okay? And basically look for a possible rejection, heavy rejection. Once we get a heavy rejection, we all basically gonna call for those doom numbers and all of that good stuff. All right guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. So don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join the Send Premium and basically join Send Public Telegram group, link in the description. Stay safe.